Wise app crashing. Fix. Is your Wise app crashing or not opening properly? Do not worry. Here's how to fix it quickly and safely. Step 1. Restart the app. Close the Wise app completely, then reopen it. Sometimes a fresh start clears minor glitches. Step 2. Clear cache. Go to your device settings and clear the Wise app's temporary files or cache. This removes corrupted data that might be causing the crashes. Step 3. Update the app. Check for updates in your App Store and install the latest version of Wise. Updates often fix bugs and improve stability. Step 4. Check connection. Make sure your internet connection is strong. Switch to Wi Fi or mobile data with good signal to avoid crashes caused by connectivity issues. Be aware, outdated devices may have compatibility issues. If the app keeps crashing after these steps, contact Wise support for help. Follow these steps, and your Wise app should run smoothly again.